Okay, so now we're going to draw the part 3 of the train. Let's look at the plans or the drawing. Fairly straightforward. It looks like we want to go from the origin out 0.31. So we'll probably draw a rectangle here. Then let's draw the length out this way. Make the radius. We'll go ahead and use the method we've been using because it looks like it's not quite a nice simple one. So we'll go ahead and take care of that. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, first thing we'll do is I'm going to look at the front view, create sketch, start out with our first rectangle from the origin. We want 0.031 wide, and it's only 1/4 inch tall. We want to zoom in. Okay, we also have the length from here to the outside of this part is 0.047. And then the height overall is 0.325. So I'm just going to go back to the origin, 0.325. There we go. And zooming in, I'm just curious to see if this has the radius of 0.87, just to see if we can get away with it. 0.087 times 2. So if I do a circle of 0.174 from here, if it winds up, then we'll be great. 0.174. It doesn't. So we're going to use that same size shape. I'll undo what I just did. But we're doing, it says radius of 0.87. So we're going to do a diameter of 0.174. We'll do that 2 more times. 0.174. And then finally, we'll go from the intersection of the 2 circles here. 0.174. That. And clean up the extra stuff using the trim tool. Making sure we only clean up stuff that needs to be gone. We don't want to accidentally trim up something that we need to use. And if we do, so let's say I'm going along and I trim one of these out, just use the Control key or Control Z feature, and then you're good to go. All right, let's just take a look at it real quick and see if that's where we want to be. Looks like it's all good, so let's go ahead and finish the sketch. Use Evolve with the axis right here. Oh, it wants us to select the profile. Looks like I didn't quite select that. There we go. Then we choose the axis. Click OK, and we have created the part as shown.